Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools: your Xbox One, a Windows PC, a USB drive, and a vetted modded save or save editor. First, back up your original GTA V save to the USB. This protects progress if something breaks. Once done, switch your Xbox to the mode needed for file transfers or enable the save export path the community tool requires. Make sure your PC software recognizes the USB and the console save format, because mismatches cause wasted time and corrupted saves. With your backup secure, prepare the modded save. Verify the file structure and convert formats if necessary so Xbox One will accept it. Open the save editor on your PC and inject desired single-player mods, vehicles, weapons, outfits, or spawn scripts, following the editor's profile mapping. Once edits are complete, save a new file and safely eject the USB. Then import that edited save into Xbox storage using the same transfer method you used to export. This preserves profile ID and avoids. Now load GTA V in a single-player session and test one mod at a time so you can pinpoint conflicts. Rapid testing helps isolate issues. If the game crashes or the save is unreadable, immediately restore your original backup from the USB to prevent save loss. Also, make sure to stay offline with modded saves. Launching online risks account sanctions. If problems persist, recheck format compatibility and re-download the modded save or use a different editor known to work with your console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.